Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to all my students. Okay, so in this video, I select 2 or 3 questions from the collection of Pspm questions in your tutorial book. For topic 1, integration, and we're focusing on the question of to find the area and volume, okay, from this topic. Okay, so I do hope that all of you ready then. Okay, my first question here. R is a region bounded by the curve of y equal to 6x minus x squared and line of y equal to 0. So next question is find the volume of R rotated 360 degree about the x-axis. So class, for the question to find the area and volume, it is important to us to know how to sketch the graph, because from the picture of the graph, then we can decide whether the graph, we can see clearly whether the graph or the area is above or below the x-axis. Because if the area is below the x-axis, it can give us what we call the area, negative area. There's no such thing that is area is negative, but then the position of the area might be below the x-axis or on the left side of y-axis. Okay, so let's solve the first question here now. Okay, for, let's say, let's sketch the graph of this. Okay, the first one, for 6x minus x squared. Okay, make it equal to 0, then we factorize x with 6 minus x equal to 0, so then x equal to 0, then x equal to, okay, let's make this one 6 minus x equal to 0. Okay, 6 minus x equal to 0, then 6 bring here become negative 6, then x equal to 6. So when x equal to 0, then y equal to 0 and 0, 0. And when y equal to 6, 6 times 6 equal to 36. And also 6 squared also 36. When x equal to 6. Okay, then also y equal to 0. So it means that here, recall, make it, okay, I don't think that we need to clear this because it's very clear here, y equal to 0. So when x equal to 0 and 6, y is already 0 here. Sorry, I don't think I clear this first. Okay. Because it's clear to us, y equal to 0, then we get x equal to 0 and x equal to 6. We don't have to find out one by one because from here, it is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and another coordinate is x equal to 6 and y equal to 0. For this graph, okay, y equal to 6x minus x squared. The coefficient, okay, if we change the position of this, negative x squared plus 6x, from y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, with a is greater than 0 or positive the graph, we come up with a smile graph, or a equal to less than 0. So at this moment, a equal, the coefficient of x squared, or a equal to negative 1. Less than 0, the graph will come up with Z graph. So then, okay, something like this, where x equal to 0 and x equal to 6. Okay, and then the line of y equal to 0. Y equal to 0, okay, along the y-axis is where x equal to 0. Along this line, okay, if I imagine there is a line here, is where x equal to 6. So for line of y equal to 0 is here. Okay. So guys, girls, where is the area that bounded by the curve and the line? Yes, it's here. Okay, so just imagine that if this, the area we call R is region bounded by the curve, the question is find the volume. The question did not want us to find the area, we just find the volume. Means that this area, if we imagine that there is also we call, if it is rotated 360 degree to the x-axis, okay, so the volume, we can just simply take the, we call this function, and because the y equal to 0 is the line of x-axis, okay, we can just ignore it. So pi integral of 6x minus x square dx from the value of x 0 up to 6. 0 up to 6. Okay, now we expand this first. Okay, 6x minus x square and 6x minus x square. So 6x times 6x, 36x squared. 6x times negative x squared minus 6x cubed. Another one here, so minus 6x cubed is come up with negative 12x cubed. Negative x squared times negative x squared plus x to the power of 4. Okay, so it is here now 36x squared minus 12x cubed plus x to the power of 4 dx. Okay, so we are ready to integrate all this one by one here now. So it is 36x cubed divided by 3 minus 12x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus x 5 divided by 5. Okay, 0 up to 6, 0 up to 6. Pi. Now, it's time for us to substitute the value of x with 6 first. Okay, okay, so 6 here, here, and here. Okay, so 6 cubed. 6 cubed equal to, okay, first with 6 here, 6 cubed is 216. Okay, before that, I think that I recall, let's simplify this first. 36 divided by 3. Okay, I think that we come up with another sign of integral because we simplify the function first. Okay, 36 divided by 3, 12x cubed. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3 minus 3x to the power of 4 plus x 5 over 5. Okay, from here we integrate and we simplify, then we got 12, this one here. Okay, so 0 up to 6. Okay, 6 cubed is 216 multiplied with 12, which is 2592 minus 6 to the power of 4, 1296 multiplied with 3 minus 3888 and plus with this one here 6 power of 5, 6 to the power of 5, okay, and divide by 5, so 7,776 divided by 5. This is the first when we substitute x equal to 6 here, here, and here, so we got 3, all these values here, minus, okay, now it's for 0. Well, you can just guess, if we substitute 0 here, 0 here, and 0 here, everything becomes 0, right? So just make it one simple 0 here. Okay, now, what about this one here now? Okay, 7776 divided by 5. Okay, this one we simplified as 1555.2. Okay, now 2592 minus 3888 plus with 1555.2, and it is 1296 divided by 5 pi unit cube. As a solution for question number 6, the first one I chose for this session here. Then next, okay, region R is bounded by the curve. The region of R is bounded by the curve and a straight line of y equal to 4x. So find the point of intersection. To find the point of intersection means that we equalize equation y1 here with this one. Let's say if I name one is y1 here and y2. y1 equal to y2, which is x squared plus 2 equal to x4. Minus x. Okay, so bring everything here, 4 minus x to the left side, so become x squared, negative x here become positive x, and 4 bring here become negative, so 2 minus 4 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so from here, x and x, product of root, negative 2, which is 1 times 2. Either 1 or 2 is negative, so come up with negative 2, and the difference is 1 here, so I can come up with a conclusion that is x minus 1 and plus 2. Let's try again. X times x, x squared. X times 2, 2x, negative 1 times x, negative x. So 2x minus x, positive x here, and negative 1 times 2 equal to negative 2. So it means that the value of x here is 1 and x equal to negative 2. The point of intersection is a combination of x and y. So it's not complete here now, so we need to find the value of y. So when x equal to 1, okay, you may use substitute the x equal to 1 is either here or here. It's up to you then. So y equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So the coordinate of 1 and 3. When x equal to negative 2, so just imagine that x is negative 2. 4 minus negative 2. Negative times negative positive, so 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Then the coordinate is negative 2 and 6. So this is a point of intersection here now. And the area of R. Area of R. First is for y equal to x squared plus 2. So you can imagine that if the graph is something like this. Okay. This is a coordinate we call the side of y equal to 2 here. And then y equal to 4 minus x. So then when x equal to 0, 4 minus 0, y equal to 4, 0 and 4. And when y equal to 0, just imagine that is y equal to 0. 4 minus x equal to 0. Okay, 4 minus x equal to 0, then negative x equal to negative 4, then x equal to 4. So the coordinate here is 4, 0. So this is 4 and another 4 here. And sorry. Okay. There you go. Okay. The intersection point here is 1 and 3, negative 2 and 6. So this is negative 2 and 6. So means that the coordinate of x is negative 2. And here the coordinate of x equal to 1. So find the area of R. The area of R bounded by the curve and the straight line means that we want it here. But before that, the area of this, first we find the area between this straight line and x-axis from negative 2 until 1, which is, it looks like trapezium here. Okay, and then minus with the area between this curve, okay, between this curve and x-axis. Okay, so let's the right line we call red in color here. So the whole trapezium minus the area below the curve and x-axis. So this is the area that we will get. Okay, it looks like curly path here. Now, okay, so never mind. From my explanation, you can see that this area that we want, so I can make that clear all again. Okay. So this is the area. Then the area equal to, first is integral from negative 2 until 1, the straight line of 4 minus x dx minus integral of negative 2 until 1, and the function is x squared plus 2 dx. Okay, and then now integral of this first from negative 2 until 1, 4 minus x minus x squared plus 2 dx. So 4 minus x, negative times x squared minus x squared, negative times 2 minus 2 dx. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So integral of this 1 by 1, integral of 2, then come up with 2x minus x squared over 2 and minus x cubed divided by 3 from negative 2 until 1. Okay, and then substitute every single x first with 1. Okay, so 1 times 2 equal to 2. 1 squared is 1, so minus 1 over 2. 1 cube is 1, then minus 1 over 3. Minus, okay, now it's time for negative 2 here now. Negative 2 times 4. Negative 2 times 2 equal to negative 4. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4, okay, negative 2 squared is 4. 4 divided by 2 equal to negative 2. Negative 2 cubed is negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Negative times negative, positive 8 over 3. Okay, then 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, negative times negative, positive 4, negative times negative, positive 2, negative times positive, negative 8 over 3. Okay, what about this one here now? 2 plus 2 equal to 4, then plus 4 equal to 8. 8, and then negative 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 9 over 3 and minus 1 over 2. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. 8 minus 3 equal to 5 minus 1 over 2. Okay, 5 times 2 equal to 10 over 2. So 10 over 2 minus 1 over 2, 9 over 2 unit square. Okay, now the same area that we are going to rotate it 360 degree about the x-axis. Okay, if I bring up here, okay, never mind. So the volume that we are going to find out here now, we call the formula of volume equal to pi integral of y squared dx. Okay, this we call the formula to find the volume using integration. Pi, first we look at this one here, is 4 minus x, we call the straight line above. So it means that here, which is 4 minus x squared dx minus integral of, okay, 4 minus x minus this one here, then pi x squared plus 2 squared dx. Okay. Then now, pi integral of this 4 minus x in bracket square means that 4 minus x multiplied with 4 minus x, which is 4 times 4 equal to 60. 4 times negative x equal to negative 4x, another negative 4, negative 8x. Negative x times negative x plus x squared dx minus, okay, pi x squared times x squared, x to the power of 4, x squared times 2 equal to 2x, another 2x plus 4x squared. 2 times 2 equal to 4 dx. Okay, which I think that we can put them all together in one. So pi integral of 16 minus 8x plus x squared, negative times x minus x to the power of 4, negative times 4x squared minus 4x squared, and negative times 4 minus 4 dx. Okay, negative x to the power of 4, negative x to the power of 4, x squared minus 4x squared minus 3x squared, negative 8x minus 8x, 16 minus 4 equal to 12 dx. Okay, so now let's integrate one by one. Negative, integrate x for 4, x5 divided by 5, and then x squared minus 4 and negative minus 3x cubed divided by 3 minus 8x squared divided by 2 plus 12x. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, 8 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 4. Okay, so then equal to, we call the area between -2 until 1. -2 until 1. So pi, the first one here, we substitute every single x that we have here with 1. So 1 power of 5, -1 over 5. -1 cubed equal to -1. 1 here, 1 cubed is 1 with negative -1. 4. 1 squared is 1 times 4 minus 4. 12 times 1 equal to 12. Okay. Minus. Now, substitute every single x that we have with -2. -2 power of 5. -2 power of 5 is -32. -32 times negative become positive. 32 divided by 5. -2 cubed equal to -8. -8 times negative become positive 8. -2 squared equal to 4. 4 times 4 negative here. So -2 squared is 4 times -4 equal to -16. 12 times -2 minus 24. Okay, so 12 minus 4 equal to 8, minus 1 equal to 7. Okay, now eight minus 16 minus 24. 8 minus 16 minus 24 equal to -32. Okay, so now it's -1 over 5. -1 over 5 plus 7. Okay, negative times this one here minus 32 over 5. Negative times negative, positive 32. Okay, so 32 plus 7, which is 39. Negative 32 over 5 minus 1 over 5. It is negative 33 over 5 plus 39. And what about this one here now? Okay. Negative 33 divided by 5 plus with 39. It is 162 divided by 5 by unit cube. Okay. So class, it looks like very complicated to understood, but try to get my explanation here. The first thing is very important for us to know how to sketch the graph, because from here we can determine the graph whether below or x-axis. If the area is below, it might be, it gives you the area, the value of area is negative. But negative, there's no such thing as negative area, except when we call the area is below the x-axis. Okay, from that, we can determine the intersection point and we can get a clear picture of this, and we come up with a solution or find the area and also find the volume. Okay, so that's all for today. With these two examples, I do hope that all of you, it helps you to continue with your tutorial or recall the Pspm questions, focusing on the top part of area and volume. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a nice day.